Hi guys, this is Hakim and welcome to my channel. So in this video we'll be looking at local storage, what is it all about and how to make use of it. So if you are watching my video for the first time or if not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing as I'll be making more of this kind of video. So without further ado, let's get started. So what is local storage? Local storage is a type of storage that is used to store data in the browser without expiring date. So what this basically means that with local storage you can actually store some data in the user browser which you can retrieve later without expiring date. Like there are some other storage like session storage or cookies which actually expire. Like for the session storage, it's going to expire once the user leave the close the tab or close the browser. It's going to expire. While for cookies, you have to set the time for the cookie. If not, it's going to expire immediately you set the cookies. But we are not going to look at those two other storage in this video. We are just going to work with local storage. So to work with local storage, first we are going to set the item. That is, we are going to save the item in the user's browser. Then the second, we are going to get the item. Then the third thing we are going to do, we update the item, and the last thing we are going to remove the item. So let's do that right now. So to set the item, that is to save the item in the user browser, we'll say local storage dot set item. So this method is going to take two parameters. The first one is for the key, while the second one is the value. So this key is actually the name, so that if we want to retrieve the item, we are going to use the name to reference it. So we'll say we give it a key of name and we give it a name. So let's just get my name, which is Hakim, and let's save it. So right now if we open our browser, let's reload it. We are going to open the inspect tool. So to open the inspect tool, we'll just click right click and I'll click on this inspect. So inside there is a tab right here that is called application. So open this application tab. Inside the application tab, you are going to see this local storage. So if you click on local storage, you can see the data which you just save in the local storage, which is the name, that is the key, and the value, which is Hakim. So next thing we are going to do, we are going to try to get the data back. So to get the data, we will say local storage dot get item. So this is going to take one parameter, which is the key, and the key we gave it the first time was name. So right now, to actually see this work, we are going to console log the data. So we are going to print the data, console log, and let's open our browser and see. Let's open our console. You can see it has print the data, which is name, which is Hakim. So right now, if we want to update the data, let me say we want to update this name to something else. So let me say I want to update it to Abdul. So that is my second name. My name is actually Abdul Hakim. So if I want to update it to Abdul right now, so there's no any special method to update it to update in local storage. So the only thing we have to do, we have to set the local storage back. So right now we'll set it again. We'll say name and we'll give it Abdul. So right now the first time we set it to Hakim, and right now I want to update it, which I am setting it back. So right now we are supposed to see Abdul. So right now we want to remove the local storage. So what we are actually going to do right now, we'll just say local storage dot remove. So we are going to remove the item, and also we are going to pass the key, which is name. So right now it shows it's null because we have already removed the local, that is the data from the browser. So there is some situation which you want to save object. Like now for local storage, it takes just string. So the value must be the key must be a string, and the value must be a string also. So there might be a situation why you might want to save an object. So to save an object, let's create an object right here. we'll say let user supposed to we'll say let's give it first name, give it Hakim, let's give it Abdul, and last name let's give it Hakim. So right now, if we want to save this, let's remove this and let's just comment it out. Sorry, comment, and let's remove this. So right now, if we want to save this object right now, we can't pass in the user. It's not going to work. So we have to pass it to string. So we have to turn this object to a string. So to do that, we'll say JSON dot string file. Sorry. So we are going to pass in our user. So right now we'll be able to save it. So let's reload our browser and see. So right now, as you can see, we have the data which shows the first name Abdul, the last name Hakim. So next thing, if we want to retrieve our object back, it's quite easy. So we'll just get the object like the way we did it here, but we we are getting the string, sorry. So to change it to an object, because we need an object, so we'll say JSON dot pass. So this is going to convert the string we got from the local storage, and is going to convert it back to the object. So let's console log it right now. So right now, as you can see, we have the object. So to make sure this is an object, let's access the first name and see. We'll say dot first name. First name should be Abdul, and right now we have Abdul. So that's all. We can, if you are to work with array, it's still the same thing. You just create an array and you pass it to, you stringify, that is, you convert it to a string. Then if you want to retrieve after you retrieve your data, then you convert it back to, you say JSON.pass, which is going to turn it back to array. So that will be all for the local storage, guys. If you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to my channel, as I'll be making more of these kind of videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.